What's up mga Kokote? It's me, Kuya J, at welcome sa Kuwaderknows, wherein learning is the name of the game. Pero kung bago ka pa lang sa aming channel, pinutin mo ng subscribe, like, and share button para maging updated ka sa aming videos. What's up mga Kokote? Another educational vlogs na naman tayo at tayo ay magpapatuloy sa solar system. So, last week we discussed about Mercury and for this day we will be discussing about Venus. So, meron kaming 10 facts about Venus at kung gusto mo pang may malaman ukol dito, ipagpatuloy mo lang ang panonood sa videong ito. So, fact number 1. So, Venus is the hottest planet of the solar system. Yes po, tama po ang inyong narinig dahil ang Venus ay ang pinakamainit na planeta sa ating solar system. So, paano ko nasabi na ito ang pinakamainit na planeta sa ating solar system? Dahil its surface has an average temperature of 464 degrees Celsius or 867 degrees in Fahrenheit. So, fact number 2, in Venus, there are no temperature differences between day and night. So, kung ano ang temperature sa umaga, ganun din sa gabi. So, bakit ganon? Dahil due to the high density of its atmosphere. Yan. Dahil ang Venus ay mainly composed of carbon dioxide. So, kapag maraming carbon dioxide, nagkakos ito ng huge greenhouse effect. So, fact number 3. So, Venus is only slightly smaller than Earth at sinasabing parang kapatid na babae ng Earth ang planet Venus. Dahil they are similar in size, density, composition, and volume. Yan. So, tama po ang inyong narinig kaya tinuturing ng Earth na sister ang Venus. Fact number 4, Venus has no moons. Yes po, wala po tayong makikitang moon or buwan sa ating planet Venus. So, fact number 5, so the clouds of Venus create a constant of acid rain. Yan. So, dahil nga sa init ng temperatura na puro carbon dioxide na nagkakos ng greenhouse effect, which is the most corrosive of the entire solar system. Fact number 6, the surface of Venus is full of craters and volcanoes which extremely high activity. So, fact number 7, kung kagaya ng Mercury nakikita din natin dito sa planet Earth, ganun din ang Venus because Venus can be seen to the naked eye from Earth. So, except for the moon, there is no brighter light in our night skies than Venus. Fact number 8, the pressure that a human being would feel on the surface of Venus would be equal to the pressure that he would feel at 1 kilometer of depth in any sea of the Earth. So, fact number 9. So, Venus has the longest day in our solar system because it takes 243 Earth days to make one rotation. Or, inaabot na rin siya ng almost 1 year, diba? Yan. And it makes a complete orbit around the Sun in 224.7 Earth days or almost 1 year din. Sa makatuwid, mas mahaba pa ang tinatagal ng pag-rotate ng Venus kaysa sa pag-revolve nito around the Sun. So, last but not the least, so fact number 10, Venus is the only planet of the solar system that rotates in the opposite direction. Kung sa planet Earth, ang sun ay nagra-rise sa east, dito naman sa Venus, sa west nagra-rise ang kanilang araw. So, what's up mga Kokote? So, it's me again, Kuya J, at thank you sa pakikinig ng aking lesson about planet Venus. So, kung may further questions or gusto mo pa ng karagdagang kaalaman, comment down below mo lang yan para malaman ko kung ano ba yung mga bagay na medyo naguluhan ka or yung may gusto ka pang malaman. Ayan, so tutulungan kita kung paano mo mas madaling maiintindihan yan. Ayan, so for our next vlog about solar system, so magpe-proceed na tayo sa planet Earth which is i-upload next week. Yan, so thank you nga pala dun sa mga sumali sa ating Kuwaderknows Learning is the Name of the Game. Yan, yung ating quiz part 1. Yan. So, dito na po tayo nagtatapos. So, bye! Learning is the name of the game.